Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to start in class 9th mathematics your new chapter coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, all of you know, that's very easy chapter, very interesting chapter. No more calculation there. That's why it is scoring chapter also, you can able to say in your examination point of view. Coordinate geometry. This is, suppose this whiteboard is example of plane. The horizontal line which divide the plane in two parts is known as x-axis, and vertical line which divide the plane in two parts is known as y-axis. Y, this is x-axis and that is, this is y-axis and that is x-axis. The point where x-axis and y-axis are intersect to each other, that is known as origin. Origin, and origin represented by the letter O. When we move right side from the origin on x-axis, the values are taken positive, and when we move left side from origin on x-axis, value are taken negative. Second, when we move up from the origin on y-axis, the values are taken positives, and when we move down on y-axis from the origin, the values are taken as negative. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4 represented, that is positive written, here also positive, and this one negative, and that is also negative. All of you see the x-axis and y-axis divide the plane in four equal parts or in four parts. Each part is known as quadrant. Each part is known as quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and that is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all of you see here x-axis value and y-axis value. One more things I want to here say. X-axis value is known as abscissa value and y-axis value is known as ordinates value. X-axis value is known as abscissa value and y-axis value is known as ordinates value. Clear all of you? Then in first quadrant, abscissa value and ordinates value both are positive. In second quadrant, the abscissa value is negative, you see, abscissa value is negative and ordinates value is positive. In third quadrant, abscissa value and ordinates both values are negative, minus comma minus. And fourth quadrant, abscissa value is positive and ordinates value is negative. Clear all of you? After this, when we represent the points in a coordinate geometry, then suppose this point P, we write first abscissa value, comma ordinates value. Never you can, if anyone student thinking, sir, we cannot able to write this one, y, x. No, it is not possible. It is impossible. First we write in coordinates, points of any one coordinates in bracket. First we write the abscissa value, comma ordinates value. Clear? After explanation of all this, we find out few conclusion. What types of questions are arising? First, giving coordinates of point and asking that point lies in which quadrant. First types of question. Second types of question, which one asking where? Locate the points on graph paper. Locate the points or represent the points on the graph paper. And third types of question, which one comes? That is, plot the points on the graph paper and find the area formed by joining these points. For calculate the area formed by joining these points. Then only these three types of question. First type of question I will discuss here. 4 examples are taken here. One more I will take E also. minus 3 comma 0. You see here, first A, its coordinates abscissa value is minus 2 and ordinates value is 3. Then this point, abscissa value is minus in second, means this point lies in second quadrant. You see this one, abscissa value and ordinates value both are positive, and this is possible in first quadrant. Then this point is lies in first quadrant. Third, you see, C, point C, minus 3 comma minus 5. Both values are negative, and this is possible only and only in third quadrant. You see, in third quadrant, abscissa value and ordinates value both are negative. That's why this is lies in third quadrant. D, 9 comma minus 5. Abscissa value is positive and ordinates value is negative. Where possible? In fourth quadrant, abscissa value positive, ordinates value is negative. Then this is lies in fourth quadrant. Now you see this one. In this question, the point E coordinates here written minus 3 comma 0. Then so many students confused saying, sir, this is lies in second quadrant. No, don't reply like this. Here ordinates value are 0. This is lies on x-axis. X-axis. Axis. This point doesn't lies in first, second and fourth quadrant. This point lies in on x-axis. Then in this way we reply which point lies in which quadrant. Clear? First type of question. Second types of question, represent the points on graph paper. First one I represent x-axis value minus 2 units. You see x-axis minus 2 and y value minus 3. You draw a perpendicular line like here, so, and this. This is the point A, minus 2 comma 3. You see, draw a parallel line, parallel to y-axis 3 units and parallel to x-axis 2 units. Where intersect these 2 points, that is the coordinates of point E. Second, B given 5, x-axis value 5 and y-axis value 7. Sorry, 6 and 7. This one. Then you will take parallel to x-axis how many? Distance you will take 5 and parallel to y, this one you will take. This is the point B coordinates 5 comma 7. In this way we can represent. So many students when representing, then ordinates value taken on in place of abscissa and abscissa value taken in instead of ordinates. Then you don't make mistake. Abscissa value 5, then 5 units you take on x-axis and ordinates value is 7. Then 7 units you take on y-axis plus y-axis. Third, minus 3, minus 5, minus 3 this one. You see here, and minus 5 is join this one. C, minus 3 comma minus 5. In this way we can represent the points. D, 9 comma minus 5. Abscissa value 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Abscissa value 9 you will take and ordinates value is minus 5. That is point D. D coordinates 9 comma minus 5. Then in this way we represent the points on the graph paper in coordinate geometry or in places. Location of this point or representation of points. Now one more question I will discuss here. Third types of question I am going to explain here. Plot the points and join the line and find the area of joining the points. Then this question also I will discuss how we can calculate the area. You will see here. One questions are given in your exercise. From your exercise question number 6, plot the point A 2 comma 5, B minus 2 comma 2, and C. Its coordinates are given 4 comma 2. On the graph paper, join AB, BC and AC. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. Plot A this, B this and C this one on graph paper. Graph paper. Join AB, BC and AC. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. Question. Calculate area of triangle ABC. You see how we can solve this question? Solution. First we plot the point ABC on graph paper. Then like this one, y-axis, x-axis, origin, x-axis, y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will take equidistance. 1 square is equal to 1 you take. Here I am representing one, explaining this one. I am not representing on graph paper. I am explaining this question. You see some places that is a small distance, but you will take 1 unit as 1 square on the graph paper. Don't make mistake there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. You see A, 2, 5, 2 and 5. This is point you will get. Dotted line I will join here. Like this one. A, 2 comma 5. B, minus 2 comma 2. This one point B will get. Minus 2 comma 2. B, minus 2 comma 2. Able to see all of you? And C, 4 comma 2. This is 4 comma 2. 4 and 2. You will see C, 4 comma 2. Now here needed only point A, B, C. Then this dotted line I remove from here. Dotted line I remove. That representation are over. You see here. You see. Join now. Join AB, BC and AC. By joining the point ABC, which figure are formed? Triangle. Then we calculate the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. All of you see base 2 unit this side and 4 unit this side. Then base how many? 6 unit. 1 by 2 into 6. And height you see, this is 2 and this is 5. Then 5 minus 2, 3. You make cut this one, 2 3 ja, 3 3 ja, 9 square unit. Then in this way, first you plot the points on the graph paper and join the points. And by joining the points, which one figure format? Calculate the area. Here triangle of format, then 1 by 2 base into height. If rectangle of format, then what? Length into breadth. If square of format, then side is square. In this way, you can able to calculate rectangle triangle, square, trapezium, all this one you knowing how we can calculate the area of figures. Then in this way we can solve the question, and in this way complete this chapter also. All of you complete in your copy today from R.S. Agarwal, and nothing more different types of question. Clear all of you? Okay then, next I will see you in next video. Thank you.